Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our chapter number 16 that is Glorious Inventions. अगर हमारी लाइफ में इन्वेंशंस नहीं हुई होती और ख़ास तौर से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स की तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम लोग सर्वाइव कर पाते. आज हम उन्हीं कुछ गैजेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. वील राइट द नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंड वील ऑल्सो नो कि इन चीज़ों की इन्वेंशंस किसने करी थी. सो लेट्स नाउ बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट इमेज. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस चैप्टर इज वी हैव टू name the following inventions or the gadgets which have been made, and after reading the descriptions which are given below the picture. So let's begin with the first picture. Willis Carrier invented this appliance. Now there was a person who was known as Willis Carrier. You see this device at home, in school, in the offices and in the various other places. Where you can find this device? We can find this device at various places like the school, office and at other places, and it makes life both cool and comfortable, and it is very useful during the summer season. So what is this picture of? This is actually an air conditioner. So let's write over here AIR, air, and then conditioner. Then we have the second picture. Now what is this picture of? ये हम सबके घर में होता है. Another important thing which is very useful of course in summer season, but along with that इसको हम अपने पूरे साल यूज़ करते हैं. Why? So that we can store our food in it. It is actually responsible for keeping things fresh and frosty. Fred W. Wolf. Who? Fred W. Wolf invented and produced the first electric models of this essential home appliance. So किसने बनाया था? Fred W. Wolf ने इस गैजेट को इन्वेंट किया था. And what is the name of this gadget? Its name is refrigerator. So we will write over here REFRI, refrigerator, GERATOR. So this is a refrigerator. Then we move on to the third picture. The third picture is of what? This is actually an oven, and it is used for keeping things hot, or you can keep the things hot, along with that make the things hot. You can also cook food without any gas, etc. Percy Spencer. Who? Percy Spencer invented a machine for cooking healthy food, and another important thing, not only healthy but it was also used for making the food very quickly. And what is this? This is a microwave oven. It is called as microwave oven. So this was all about 1, 2 and 3 picture. Let's now move to the other pictures. Then we have our fourth picture, and it was invented by Ralph Baer. Ralph Baer invented this device which became a rage in the world of home entertainment. Now this device is actually used for entertainment purpose, and this can be observed in your home only. So what is this device? This is actually a video game. Then we have the next, that is the last picture, and it is of what? This is a type of machine जो हमने अक्सर अपनी दादी नानी के पास definitely देखी होगी. Elias Hoff. Elias Hoff invented a machine that could stitch clothes quickly and neatly. So this was a machine which was responsible for stitching of clothes and very quickly. And what it is known as? This is known as sewing machine. SEWING, swing, and a machine, MACHINE, swing machine. Let's now read the quick fact. Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity by flying a kite. So who was Benjamin Franklin? He was another normal boy who actually discovered electricity when he was flying a kite, which was tied to a copper wire in a thunderstorm. He had joined a copper wire in the thunderstorm. Let's now do the your answer please part. It says, name the device by which you can perform various tasks like calculations, making projects, computer data, etc. So they are asking you for a device which can perform various kinds of tasks like for calculation, making projects and computing data etc. Well, मुझे तो ये आंसर पता चल गया है. I hope आप भी समझ जाएंगे इसका आंसर क्या है. अगर आपको ना समझ में आए then you can ask for your parents or your elders who will help you to get the answer. Now we have the activity time. Now what does activity time tell us? It is saying that with the passage of time our lives are also changing day by day. समय के साथ साथ हमारा रोज की दिनचर्या भी चेंज हो जाती है और वक्त के चेंज होने के साथ साथ क्या होता है, हम चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल भी बदल देते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने ध्यान दिया हो तो पहले घर झोपड़ी जैसे होते थे. दे वर मेड ऑफ हस्क, दे वर मेड ऑफ hay, but now we have pakka house which are made of usually bricks, cement etc. Similarly ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ हैं जिन्हें हम पास्ट में यूज़ करते थे और उनका आज रिप्लेसमेंट दूसरी चीज़ों से हो गया है. So this activity time is basically for only these things only. आपको क्या करना है, इस चैप्टर में आपको पास्ट जनरेशन में यूज़ होने वाली चीज़ों को फ्यूचर जनरेशन से जिन चीज़ों ने रिप्लेस किया है उससे मैच करना है. ये आप खुद करेंगे. आई विल जस्ट रीड द टॉपिक फॉर यू इन ऑर्डर टू हेल्प यू आउट. If we compare our time with that of our previous generations, we see great changes that occurred in the span of time. So this is what it is saying कि अगर आप ध्यान दें तो हमने अपनी प्रीवियस जनरेशन में जो भी कुछ देखा है वो आज बदल गया है, बहुत उसमें चेंज आ गया है और कुछ समय में उन चीज़ों में बदलाव के साथ साथ हमने अपनी ज़रूरतें भी बदल दी हैं. So what you have to do is draw with different colored pencils through the maze from the past to the pictures in the present and match them correctly. और उन्हें हमें मैच करना है. So in this activity you have to see the past generation item and you will match it to the other generation item, or you can say the present generation item. So this is an activity and you have to do it on your own. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.